It's Tuborn time. Torb 1v1. Shit on him! Shit on! Watch my 6.
Show them what you've got.
I have a hammer.
Maximum power.
This is an ass whooping. No. Damn! 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 I wanna fucking help my team out the best way I can. I'm about to come on them. So I did. I'm clandestine. Boop, boop. Got it. Hell yeah! I'm useless as a one-legged man in an ass-kicking competition. That
Maximum power.
shit. Who bubbles that? No, it's a hammer. He just beat my ass with a hammer.
And after watching that, you're like, there's no way you didn't win. Well, I lost.